Hey guys, this is Darren with Hollywood Classic Cars, and we're here with the 1957 Ford Thunderbird. And this video we're going to show you how to put the convertible top up and how to take it down. Alright, so this top's a little more challenging. You definitely need to have two people. So I've got my helper George here with me.
Okay.
And first thing you want to do is open the doors. That helps so the top doesn't interfere. And we're going to push down the seat. And behind the flap here is the top, which you want to grab on each side with two hands and pull it straight up and don't let go and set the top here. Okay, so pull this out of the way and you want to start with the back. So there's a little knob here that's going to go into this plate on the bottom. So once you get those lined up, it'll push down, and then you want to use your other hand from the inside to turn the latch and lock it into place and make sure that it's tight on both sides. Okay, so now we got it latched in the back. We're just gonna lift the front up slowly and get it tight across the front. And then we'll move inside the car. So there's one latch on either side. You wanna pull the visor out of the way so it doesn't interfere. And then this hook is gonna go under the slot as you push the latch up. It's pretty stiff, but that keeps it tight. And you're done. So now to put it down, you want to start by unclipping the front. It's really just a reverse. And then move the seat forward. Undo the locks in the back so it comes free. And then this is the part where you want to be careful because it can drop quickly if you let go. So pull this out of the way, lower it carefully all the way down, and then push the top into the back space. There it is. Push back. You're ready to go. Thanks a lot.